There's so much consuming going on.
How's it going, guys? So this is a Rointe Sigma. This is the ENG series. So this is slightly different to the K series. You might have seen a tutorial and it's not worked for you if you want to set it up automatically. And so that's what this will help you do that. The first thing you have to realize is that this is slightly different to the K series, and the company only released a tutorial on the K series, which doesn't help at all. So there you go. Let me show you exactly what you have to do. First of all, you have to make sure that your timing is correct. If you follow the tutorial on the K series, it'll tell you how to do that. It's very, very simple. Also, you have to make sure it's on automatic mode, which is the signal here, the A. If you want to change that to a manual, see down here where it says manual auto, press that. See the way the A now is now an M on top here? It's an M, so it's in manual, but if I go down here, click it again, hey, the A comes up. So that's how you do it. You got to be on the A mode, which is automatic, which is fairly obvious. If I go to the menu here, see the menu button, which is just on the bottom here, and that's the top. I'm going to hit that menu button, hold it down, and all of a sudden, boom, we're going to change. And so what this is doing here is this is asking you, note the sunlight up on top. That's asking you what you want the room, what you want it to heat up, what's your preferred temperature, what's your comfort temperature, plus up or minus using the buttons. Mine is 21, I'm going to keep it there. Okay, so that's all good. Then what you're going to do is the tutorial says hit the menu button. That's wrong. In this series, you've got to hit that center button. If I hit that center button, look what happens. Now look at the feather rather than the sun. So they're asking you, what do you want it to be like in a medium mode? I pick 18. You can change that by going plus to 19. Whoops. Oh, it doesn't go higher than 18. There you go. So 18, yeah. So I keep it at 18. So there you go. And then again, don't hit the menu button because that'll bring you straight back out to the beginning. Hit the center button. Now it does days. And this is where it gets really confusing. Okay. One of the things you're going to have to remember before you start any of this is you see where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The one is the day when you start. So for instance, today is Tuesday. So this is going to start on the Tuesday. It's a silly system, but that's just the way it is. So you can see they're all jumping. We haven't selected a day. We haven't selected a day at all. But if I press the center button, oh, how annoying is that? It's just gone straight back out because I've been doing too much yapping. So I'm just going to get through this. Whoops. I'm just going to go through the same settings that I went through there. So I'm hitting the menu button, hitting that center button. Now it's gone showing me the eco mode. Now I'm going back to days. So if I press the center button, see it's on day 1 there. Okay. So the others are flashing. So remember that's going to be Tuesday. So if I want to change anything, I've got to go, instead of clicking on the day, you've got to go further back. So you're plussing all the way to day 7 and then go in. And now you're in day 1. Okay, so that's how you get access to that. That's how you end up making all of that work. So what you're going to have to do is, let me take you to one that I actually need to change because I don't need to change that. I'm going to go back through the whole system again, pressing the menu. I'm on 21, excellent. End through that, 18, press it again. Now, so I'm on day 1, so that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, Friday, I'm going to change because I thought Friday was Saturday because the system's silly. So let me show you. I'm clicked on it. Now, you notice that 4 is not flashing, but everything else is flashing. So that means I'm in day 4, but I now have to get inside to change the times of when the heating is going to come on, or to select the time. Now I'm going up to 5, 6, 7, and now I'm into day 4. As you can see there, it's a silly system, but that's the way it is. So what I want to do, it's a Friday. I'm just using the plus and minus to go up and down through the hours. That's 12 o'clock in the morning, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 7 in the morning is where I wanted to come on, and I want to come in on at my top temperature. Now, before we click in and I show you, you see the way the little dot is jumping up and down. So the bottom one is the eco one, that was the 18, and the top one is the more stronger one, which is 21. I want it to come on at 21, so if I press the center button, it goes down to the 18, press it again, it's now at the higher setting. I'm going to do this. See the way it's jumping, and now it's at 8. It's jumping up and down. That means it hasn't selected anything. So I'm now going to press it, and I just want it to come on full for there. Now I've accidentally put it on there and there, which I don't want to do. So there you go. It's going to come on at 7 in the morning, and it's going to come on at, it's going to stay on 8, and then at 9 o'clock it's going to knock itself off. And I want it to come back on. So it's Friday, come back. It's about 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, I'm going to have it on the eco mode. See, it's just down on the bottom one. And that's going to be there. At 7, it's going to come on again. And at 8 o'clock, it's going to stay on at the higher temperature. And it's going to be at the lower temperature. Then at 9 o'clock, and it's going to knock itself off. Then at 10 o'clock there. And if I want to save that, I have to go menu. So now 4 o'clock, or sorry, day 4 is that's already saved. And so if the next time you want to put in another day, so if you want to go to day 5, you have to do the exact same thing again. So you go in, press that menu button, brings you up to there. It's all going to be set the way you had it. So just go straight to the center button, then go through your days. So I was on day 4 there. So that was Tuesday. So that's, let me just go back. Sorry, it's a silly system. So the day 1 is Tuesday. Day 2 is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday's cool. It's fine because I have to set it to that. That's Sunday. I'm actually going to change Sunday just a little bit. Just going to, I may as well just show you this. So I've clicked on day 6, which I know is Sunday. I'm going to go forward. Now I'm in day 6, running down to 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is a Sunday, so that's fine. Bring that down. Okay, the heating will come on at 6 o'clock. 7, 8. I want it to knock itself off there. I'm not, because I won't be. It'll knock itself. Whoops. It'll knock itself off. So that's 10 o'clock. I'm going to knock it off at 9. So there you go. And then I'm going to press the menu button to store it. Now, I'm going to do the exact same thing just to show you again, because I actually do need to set 7, because 7 is Monday, which that's how I made a mess of everything. So here we go. I'm in. It's fine at 21. Eco's 18. Day. Okay, so they're all flashing. What I want to do is go to 7. So I don't need to press anything. I just want to go to day 7. Day 2, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm in 7. Hit the center button. Now I'm in 7. If I plus up. Okay, so what was 7 Monday? So now I have to set it to Monday. So I get up around 8. So let's go 7 o'clock. There we go. So 8 o'clock I want it to come on. 9 o'clock I'm going to knock it off. So if I want to knock it off, I'm just pressing the same button. I'm basically watching that thing jump up and down. If it's jumping up and down, that means nothing's set. If it's on the bottom one, it's on the lowest. If the 2 blocks are there, it's on the highest. Now it's jumping up. Oh no, that's on the highest, so I will knock it off there. Now I'll just jump over here. So that's going to come on. Yeah, that's right. It's 6 o'clock, and then at 7 it knocks itself up to the highest level. 8 o'clock, and then at 7 o'clock it's done. Or sorry, it's 7 o'clock. What's wrong with me? Oh no, I need it on. No. 8 o'clock. It's after 8 o'clock. At 9 o'clock it's done. And so that's it. Press the menu button. It's stored. It's all stored. It's a silly system, but there you go. That'll get you up and going. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. Take it easy. Bye bye.